the elf factory. It was a morning, and the King Thistle was planning to visit the elf factory. It was a very busy time of the elf factory because the Christmas was coming up. Princess Holly and Nanny Plum went to the elf factory to inspect the toys whether they are in perfect or not. Mr. Elf and Ben welcomed Holly and Nanny Plum, and they showed their factory. All the workers there were making dolls. It was a large order from a Christmas father. While Holly and Nanny Plum were observing the factory, they saw that the workers made a mistake. They painted the dolls' dresses in blue, which were to be red. Then Nanny Plum spelled a magic word, and all the blue dresses changed into red again. Thank you.